Welcome to Tech It's Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live Series Part 11. In this video, I will show you how to live stream in the Bigo Live application. So, for that, open your Bigo Live application first. In this homepage, you will see 5 different icons below. Click on that little camera icon at the center, and you will be raised to this space. If you want to turn off your camera, click on that little camera icon shown in the video at the top of the screen. By clicking on it, an option will pop up. Click on Confirm, and you will be able to turn off your camera. Once you turn off your camera, you will see a background like this. By clicking on the paint palette in the right below, you will be able to change the background you want. By clicking on Select Tag option, you will be able to add tags in the live. Also, you can add a title here, change cover, or create live time. If you want to make this live private, you can click on that arrow next to the camera, and options will pop up like this. By clicking on Private, only those viewers that are invited by you can enter or watch this live. Once you are done customizing the features, go ahead and tap on that Go Live option. It will take 3 seconds, and your live streaming will be started. By clicking on that chat option below, you will be able to chat with your viewers. And by clicking on the 3 lines next to the chat icon, you will be able to add more features to your live. Now, to stop this live streaming, click on that cross icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on there, options will pop up. To continue or quick broadcast, click on Quick Broadcast to stop live streaming. This is how you stream live in Bigo Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.